Dude, photography is hard. The photography learning curve is steep. I've climbed that mountain, I know that struggle. I'm Mandy Gleason. I'm a former Canadian actor turned small business owner who needed to become an expert in photography, otherwise my business would fail before it even started. Before I started Replica Services in 2018, I didn't know anything about photography, and suddenly it became everything. It might sound crazy, but I thought the best way to learn it would be to teach it. Once I started, I got such a positive response that I knew I needed to create what I wish I had when I started. There are a lot of ways to take a great photo, and I'm gonna guide you on how to find your way of doing it. It's your formula, step by step, start to finish. We'll start with the composition and styling framework. This is like first constructing a house and then working on interior design. Next, we'll talk about how to light your scene with natural and artificial light and the tools you need or don't need based on your home, your studio, wherever you are. Then we'll cover how to push your phone camera to the limit and take full advantage of your DSLR. And finally, we'll end with an easy to follow, simple editing strategy that will work for every one of your photos. With action items all along the way, you'll feel accomplished and you'll have fun doing it. At the end of my course, you'll have designed your tailored go-to photo formula that you can physically hold in your hands if you want to, and that you can apply to every photo shoot going forward. This isn't a course where I'm gonna quiz you and tell you what I think looks good. I'm gonna provide you with a step-by-step framework for you to find what you love in food and product photography. And that's what makes this course special. It's so easy to feel lost when you're trying to take a photo. I know, because I've been there. I've struggled. I've wasted time. I felt unmotivated and uninspired. I wondered if I should even be the one taking the photo. There are a lot of brilliant and creative professionals out there, but after all that struggle, I started focusing on developing a process, and I ultimately ended up with a formula. After that, my photo shoots were quicker, I was more productive, and I had way more fun doing them. If you're taking time to take a photo, you should love the result, because you're taking a photo of something you care about and that you just want to share with the world. That's why this matters. It's why we take a photo. We want to connect. So come join me. No more struggles, just results. In return for taking this course, I guarantee your photos will be better than ever, and your customers and your audience will think so too. I'm Mandy Gleason, and I can't wait to start working on your formula.